Hey, what's up guys, Geoid back with another video. Welcome back to episode 3 of how to get started trading crypto. In episode 1 we covered the foundation every trader needs. In episode 2 we created and secured our trading account, and now it's time to take the first and the next big step, that is placing your very first spot trade. To do that, you need to understand the two most important order types that are present in the market space. The first is market order and the second is limit order. First of all, let's understand what actually is spot trading. Let's start with the basics. Spot trading is the most simplest and beginner friendly way of trading crypto. You buy or sell a cryptocurrency at its current market price and the trade settle instantly. For example, if you buy Bitcoin with USDT on spot exchange, you immediately own that Bitcoin. No leverage, no contracts, just a simple straightforward buy or sell. It is the perfect starting point for anyone new to crypto trading or any other type of trading like forex. This is the basic, that is spot trading. And now let's understand more in depth about the different order types. The first is market order. A market order means you want to buy or sell a coin immediately at the current best available price. It is fast, easy, and guaranteed to execute. But there is a simple trade off. Sometimes you will pay slightly higher because of slippage or fees. For example, let's say currently Bitcoin is trading at around $90,000 and you place a market buy order. Your trade executes instantly at the price available in the order book, maybe around like 90,000 $10 or $90,100 depending upon the liquidity it is executed. And the second is limit order. A limit order means you choose the price you want to buy or sell at. Your order will only execute if market reaches that price. This gives you more control, but you might have to wait some time until the price reaches your point. For example, if Bitcoin is trading at around $90,000 and you want to sell your Bitcoin at $90,500, then you can place a sell limit order which will be executing your sell order once price reaches $90,100. This way you don't overpay, but your risk is that the price may never reach your target. So that is the main difference between market order and limit order. So now you may be asking that when to use the market versus limit order. So which should you use? Use a market order when you need speed, the coin has high liquidity, you are trading with a small amount. Use a limit order when you want a better entry or exit price, you are trading larger amount. And the third is you are willing to wait. These are the things you have to keep in mind while you're choosing from a different orders. Pro trader often combine both depending on the situation. And here is how order works. This is an order book example that I have created. For example, let's say you are interested in buying 3 BTC and you are placing a market order, and the current market price is $27,025 and you are interested in buying 3 BTC at the market rate. And then it will be looking out for the sellers that are selling and the amount that you are interested in buying. For example, the first sell order is at $27,030 and the available amount is 2.10 BTC, but yours is 3 BTC of total volume. So it will be it will be buying out this complete order at this price, and then it will be filling the rest with the second order, that is the second sell order. So that is how simply it works. So market executing will be filling out all the orders until it reaches your amount or fulfill your amount, and then the same way goes for selling as well. It will be looking out for all the buy orders at the current price, and it will be filling out all the orders. Simply a market buy order will execute against the lowest ask, that is $27,030. A limit buy at $27,000 will wait in the order book until someone sells at that price. It is that simple. And now let's actually understand on the live market itself. So I'm currently now on Bybit and I'm currently on BTC USDT pair. As you can see, this is the real order book, how it will be looking if you are trading on the live market. And these are all the sell orders and these are all the buy orders. These are all the pending orders. Means if you are placing a limit order and it is not currently at the market market price, then it will be sitting in the order book until someone actually buys for that. Let's say for example I want to buy 10,000 USDT worth of Bitcoin, then I will simply enter the amount, that is the order value, and simply click on buy, and it will be showing me a confirmation that it will be market executing at the best available price. And when I simply click on buy, was filled instantly, which is something really cool that you get in market order, that your order is instantly filled in seconds. You don't need to wait. So that is the benefit you get in market order execution. And now let's check out the limit order. For example, if you don't want to buy right away at the current market price and you think that price will be reaching $122,000, then simply just enter $122,000. Just enter the quantity, for example let's say 0.05 BTC. This will be the USDT amount, and just simply click on buy. As you can see, this it says order submitted, and your order will be in the open order. As you can see, this is an open order, it is not yet filled. If someone buys in for like 0.025 BTC, then it will be filling out that quantity, and the remaining order quantity will be kept as it is. So this is how you actually execute limit order and market order in the live markets. And also the same goes for sell as well. If you are interested in selling, for example 0.1 BTC at the market rate, just simply click on sell and click on sell, and it will be executing for you at the best market rate available. And as you can see, this our order was already filled, and same goes for sell limit as well. If you are interested in selling at higher price, then just enter amount. For example, let's say if you are thinking that price will reach $125,000, just enter the amount and the quantity, and then just simply click on sell, and it will be having an open order in this order book for you. Once price reaches at your buy or sell limit, it will be executed for you automatically. So that is how market orders and limit orders work. So this is what we already covered, that is the live demo. And here is a risk disclaimer. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder: don't FOMO into trades, don't throw in large amounts when you are just starting, and remember, this stage is about learning the process and not chasing profits. And also keep a trading journal where you will be recording your trades to learn from both wins and loses. And also what's next, and that's it, you have placed your first spot trade. Congratulations, this is your first step into the world of active trading. In episode 4 we will be taking further look into how to read candlestick chart and understand basic chart pattern skills every trader must master. So that is what we are covering in the episode 4. And also congratulations on your first trade. So that was all regarding this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.